am trying to get, was it my husband's estate settled? I have his, the titles to his vehicles and the house that we're living in. I'm trying to do it without paying a lawyer so much money. Mm-hmm. Is there any way I can get it done? Because the only thing I have is just his death certificate and, you know, that where I paid for his funeral and everything. Is there a way I can do it without paying a lawyer so much money?
Depending on the size of the estate, ma'am, if it's a valuable estate, you may want to look to an attorney. It's also going to depend whether or not your husband had a will when he passed away. Usually that will dictate how the property moves to the folks that are set to inherit. If he did not have a will, then he died in what's called an intestate nature, and the law of South Carolina will actually dictate what happens to that property. But you are going to need to go to the probate court and actually get that going so that folks can get what they need to.
Does the clerk's office in South Carolina and the probate court provide forms to citizens to file their probate proceedings?
Yes, sir. The clerk's offices in South Carolina are very helpful as far as getting folks in the right direction. You got to be careful though, because they're going to stop short of offering you legal advice. They will give you some procedural information as far as what needs to be filed and how it needs to be done. But to really protect yourself, it's going to be best to hire an estate attorney.